Welcome to the beautiful Barton Hills neighborhood in 78704. This is a really well-established neighborhood with large lots, and we are half a mile from Barton Springs, 3 miles from downtown, very accessible, and a beautiful part of history here in Austin. Your beautiful home sits on over a 1/4 acre lot. It is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, has lots of style to go around, and your gorgeous verdant yard is covered in pin oak trees. This home that we're standing in was originally built in 1974, and as you can see, it's had a beautiful remodel down to the studs.
It's basically a brand new house, has brand new solid wood floors. There are interesting features such as this built-in library over here, and it has some interesting appointments such as Ann Richards. I would hope that would convey. That'd be neat. And also downstairs, when you walk into this entryway, of course you have a proper landing, a place to entertain the guests or people that you will allow, at least to this part of the house. And a cool part about this area of the house as well is there is a desk and an office right in the front where you'd expect it to be, but it is specifically designed and built interior, exterior, architecturally for an office. And also that leads into another part of the house. We'll get to that as well. But it has, in this part of the house, you have your downstairs bathroom, and you have a nook for, this could be a vanity as well. And this is a proper utility room, y'all. And if you'll notice as Diane takes us through the kitchen, that there are very high-end solid wood, exceptional quality cabinetry and countertops. And also, you'll also see through this how so much space we have. This is something that I believe is definitely necessary in a home that has a 3-car garage. And this, of course, is this polished floor that is super easy to clean. This is a car lover's dream. You could even fit like 5 motorcycles over there if you wanted to, or it could be part of your shop. But it is a 3-car garage, easily accessible from the street. This is a really, really excellent feature of the home.
It is, and it's so nice that one of these car doors is all glass, so it just lets the light flood in, and it's a great workspace.
Right, this would be great for like a 1982 Porsche 911 on showcase right here. Happy red, of course.
As we move into the heart of the home, you're gonna find this designer, well-appointed kitchen. It has built-in pantry from floor to ceiling, so much storage throughout. I love the recessed lighting and the modern lighting. And you have your 6-burner Miele stove and this really great range.
Yeah, and this is always impressive. The Vino Temp is something you definitely want to have in your house. As far as entertainment, you're going to see a lot of many features in this in this video tour of why it's such a special place. One thing I really love about this is that is an expectation now in these homes is the refrigerator that looks like the pantries, and it's matching. I think it's great.
It is. It is. You also have a dual dishwasher. Again, entertainer's dream. Back here, very functional with the undermount sink. Perfect.
Yeah, there's also a microwave that is under mount as well, so it's well out of the way. It's not sitting on top of anything, and you can actually communicate with it with Wi-Fi.
So the natural features of this home make it feel so warm and inviting, and you're going to see this trend throughout the rest of the house. Large windows, wood accents. It's really beautiful. The home is 4,100 square feet. It is on over a 1/4 acre lot, which is really impressive, especially in this neighborhood.
after a short flight of steps, you enter a landing into a pretty common area, a flex area if you will, and you're gonna go past 3 bedrooms over here. They all have bathrooms in them, full bathrooms, huge closets as well. And these closets, I'm talking about huge, and they're unusually huge, so you'll be impressed when you get a chance to see it. We have this room over here with floor-to-ceiling windows, and you'll find those all over the house as well. And again, this one has a full bathroom, and it has a huge closet.
That's right. And one of the things I love about this common bathroom here is the vertical tiles. They really accentuate the 22-foot ceilings in here, and you'll find that in a few of the 4 extra bedrooms as well.
Yeah, so this is definitely a good place to be. This room over here has the same windows except for they are horizontal. So you get a really great view of the oak trees up outside, and also you still have one openable vertical window over here. And these windows can all be opened. They're kind of old school, but they're definitely modern because they're double pane. Yeah, this home is brand new. I mean, everything, even the Ream furnace in there is absolutely brand new. It probably was just turned on today.
That's right. They did such a beautiful job of keeping the architecture and the style from the 1970s and filling it with the up-to-date brand new appliances and fixtures.
All right, welcome to the primary suite here in this wonderful home.
Yes, right through here you have the primary bath, and it is absolutely gorgeous. I love how the wood floor continues in. You have your floating vanities here, and then in the wet area you have this really nice tub. I love the contrasting colors, and then Kohler shower accessories. Plentiful and lots of space. There is also steam options, and everything in here is Wi-Fi smart. You can set it straight from your phone if you don't want to come in and do it in the shower individually.
And welcome to the closet. This is an excellent feature of this property. I have to say, this is one of the biggest closets I've been in a long time. And I actually also have to say that it's constructed very well. It's efficient, it doesn't take up a lot of space, it's not bulky. But this is, of course, it's a closet in the primary suite. However, I mean, this could also be a desk. This is a huge desk, and this very well could be a library. I can see full of books in here. This could be a lawyer's or attorney's library. It could just be your own personal library, but it's obviously made to be a closet, and it's quite a grand closet at that. And of course that leads us out to these beautiful windows and also into the private balcony, which is very unique and a great part of this house that was tastefully introduced. Every feature in this property is exceptionally fine, but everything is great, and it leads out to this porch on the back, which you can see into your very manageable and beautifully landscaped yard. So let's take a look at that. So the primary suite leads you out to this private porch, which overlooks the backyard and an enormous amount of forestry and verdure, and it's a great place to hang plants, to have a private garden, if you will, and also just a nice private place that you have that no one else can access except for you.
That's right. So thank you for taking this video tour with us. If you liked it, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And Nick and I are your real estate advisors. Please contact us about any information about any property here in the great state of Texas.